G'day y'all, here we have a brass and copper DIY homemade steam engine. This one was made by a friend of mine, Trevor. Now, Trev lived in Victoria, Australia. He just worked out of his shed at the bottom of his backyard, and he made a range of steam engines. And he sold them at markets under the banner of TTB, which stood for Trev's Toy Box. And he went from selling them in markets to selling them all over the world. Now, this one is the TTB V2. That's the version 2. He made a version 1, which was one of his first uprights, and this is the V2. Now, I have done a few little mods to this. I engraved a ring on the lathe on the safety and painted it red. I have put 2 flanged ball bearing rollers in here, and it's smoothed it out a lot. And the other thing I did was I turned up these 2, one's an overflow and one's a filler plug, and made the bushings on the lathe, and it's made it a lot easier filling it up and knowing the water level when it overflows. But enough said. I'm going to run it off a DIY homemade baker fan that I made. It is good to see engines running a load, and we'll kick her off. Coming up to boil. Let's see if it'll kick over. Okay, I think the spirits are just about out. And there is my Trevor's TTB V2, made in 2015. Trev was a very prolific engine maker in his small backyard shed down there in Victoria in Australia. He made many different designs of steam engines, and as I've said before, he started selling them in or at the local market down near where he lived, and he ended up selling them all over the world. So a big shout out to Trevor. I hope sometimes you look down and see us steaming your engines. And as always, thanks for watching, and bye for now.